There's a meeting to go to at Top Golf.
Alright, let's go.
Take my truck?
No. We need to take everything.
I'm not taking my truck right now.
Well, we'll just do it.
Well, it's not that easy. It's not that easy.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller Nuggets. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around the month of February. Told them side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. 777. Yeah. Told them slide, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. Yeah. 777. Couple of money in my head just to say they did it. Can't lie, I'm so paranoid and the windows tinted. I own everything around me, you can say it's rented. Not talking phone numbers when I'm talking 7 digits. Earn it by the day, every second minute. Used to pay me none, look, now they pay attention. Everybody say they drip, but I banded it. See them copy all the looks, but I stay switching. Pick up the loot, then hit the bank. Can never change, still wrote the change. Captain say the pay, this ain't the day. They made me wait, I'm breaking chains. Yeah. Tell me feeling bubbly off the rose. Took a minute, but I got it out the slow way. Friends turn to foes, haters tell them go away. Rappers make a shiggy dance like a soul train. Told them side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic.
Hey, I walked up to the booth and they were fucking with me. They tried putting me in cuffs.
Really?
Yeah.
That ass?
Yeah, he grabbed me.
No way.
He's like, whose booth is this? I said, Gabe's. And he's like, who are you? I was like, who are you? He's like, it's a question. English, Spanish, whatever it is, who are you?
Oh,
I was like, I'm Brandon. Like, oh, we need Gabe. I was like, he's gone.
I'll let you arrest me.
And they're like, we're just fucking with you. Gabe, you're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Remember how we said it was my turn, trailer broke? Now it's your turn, bitch, watch. I'll come get you out with the fake money you got arrested for. I mean, that's the only money we have these days, so that's all that matters.
It's not illegal to buy fake money.
Really on Amazon Prime, next day delivery with the bag.
Money. It's not counterfeit money. I mean, oh, okay. We'll trade. Here you go. You can take this one? You take that's what doesn't make it look real.
It's all your merch money. Oh, God.
That's where it went.
I gotta pay you for the tire check still.
Thanks, appreciate it.
We're in like South Beach, Florida. And it's been raining every freaking day. But got peanut butter jelly, some Gatorade, and some waters. And I guess like truck pools now. So you guys seen the show, it's pretty insane. Couldn't really film much there because people like to play like their music that sounds stupid. And YouTube copyrights me. That's exactly why everyone should tell Little Baby to give me rights to his music and Young Dolph. They'll be 10 times better. Do they spin?
Oh, these bitches spin.
These bitches spin, huh? Ooh,
Hey, maybe not the cat, but the fucking
they
tires.
spin, huh?
Carlos, not wear your belt.
See your dumbass jump down.
No, fuck,
Come
I'll
on,
break a fucking
come on.
ankle.
You know you can do it. Let's go.
Ready?
Jump.
1, 2.
That's the way to do it.
Hey, the OBS.
It has a whole elevator on it.
Yeah, that fucking OBS needs that
Yeah.
short ass.
He lowers down both of them
Yeah.
with a fucking remote.
Nigga, I thought
Chase, no hose?
never chase.
Come on, man.
Never.
I see that fucking Instagram.
Yeah,
New bitch every day.
They chasing me.
Yeah. What'd God say?
God was like, hey, let's make this gay fellow not that big. Because if this nigga's like 6'2", 300 pounds, he will punch everybody in the face and not give a flying fuck about anything. Now I do that, and then I have Blake to kick everybody's ass. Hello, Blake. And then Blake doesn't work, I got Blake. This is how you work. Okay, you got the filmer over there, right? Why would you pay him $100,000 a year if you're not standing on the other side?
But that's $100,000 in fake money. That you got caught with today, actually.
It's not illegal to have fake money. It's illegal when you buy things with fake money.
Amazon Prime says otherwise. Remember how I told you I don't want to do like our trucks anymore?
Fuck our truck. This is
Yeah, it's way better than anything we have.
Jesus Christ. Why is this step broke? It's like my amp on the Cardi.
It's just smoking like Cardi does.
Oh my
at
God.
idle.
Let these motherfuckers suck dick.
Watch these animals.
Transfer case was sparking.
Yeah, the one you sold me is probably gonna do the same thing, to be honest with you.
It's like a freight train. Holy
He's gonna drag him again.
Hey, get out! Hey, get out!
That's Cardi B, and that's Megan. Megan's fat ass just holds Cardi B's skinny ass. I'm trying to learn what's going on right now.
I don't know either. They like get a feel for
It's not even spooling. I really don't get it. It's kind of like. Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus. God damn. He put it in sport mode, bro.
He's doing wheelies.
No, watch how far it's gonna go up.
stole his phone. I don't know what to do.
It's heavy, dude.
Is it?
How do you hold this thing all day long?
I don't know. I just have a big. I don't know.
What the?
Yo, I'm Brandon 24 about for tonight.
Are you Ghost Media?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Again, my cock is massive.
The employer becomes
Your name
the
is Gay Farrell
employee.
Productions.
No, I'm definitely.
I think this is more productions than that.
They're figuring something out now here. Randall's got some kind of.
We have a little mishap. I haven't been pulled over with this trailer since like the beginning of the year, actually. So now, the plates are expired on it. Hopefully they don't notice that. But hopefully they let us go. But there's a second cop pulling up, so that means like, oh, that's not good.
It's currently 12:45,
And
and
then 2 cops just pulled up. Last time 2 cops pulled up on me, I got arrested and went to jail. Probably put my seatbelt back on.
He said, y'all leave.
That's disgusting.
that's amazing.
I did just eat a whole entire one, so I can't really complain. Anyway, 7-Eleven, they got some pretty good sub sandwiches, but why is the dually on the trailer? That's a good question because I don't know either. It was supposed to stay in Florida, and now for some reason it's on my trailer, and the trailer hub went out because of a lack of fluid, I think. The seal went out on the way down here. So now we're gonna rock it back to Chicago like this, and the new hub is already here for it at my house though, so that's a little dilemma. And now we gotta figure that out. But the dually's back on the trailer, and there's news back home that I got today for the little baby truck. I got something in the bed of my truck that has been in the bed of my truck the whole time I've been here in Florida. Might just be like half of an engine right there, and a bed full of luggage and a bunch of other garbage. But we're headed back to Chicago right now because I've been here for like 3 weeks. I'm ready to go home. Ooh. Jesus. So we're headed back home from Florida, like I just said, back to Chicago or Indianapolis or Indiana, whatever you want to call it, back up north. And you guys haven't seen, I've been doing a giveaway lately, and I have been selecting and promoting it. I'm sorry. But you guys should definitely get entered. The link will be down below. And that'll be ending here probably by the end of the week, I'm assuming. As soon as all the tickets sell out, and they're almost sold out, so enter now. But the dually's on the trailer, don't ask why, because I don't know why. And yeah, with that being said, that's probably gonna end the video because I'm tired. You guys seen the video, so you can probably see how much fun we had, and that explains why I'm tired. I haven't slept in like 6 days, but for like 4 hours at a time. So yeah, see you, bye.